Children, if there will be any doubt, please ask me regarding the chapter. When you are reading the chapter, please, the outline of the chapter should be very, very clear. The dialogues should be clear. Since there are not so many dialogues, so be very specific with the dialogues, okay? You should know who said this to whom. At 10 o'clock, I'll be sharing the worksheet with you.
Ma'am,
Yes, bache?
ma'am, can you please tell me the word meanings of the elephant and the tragopan?
Elephant and the Tragopan. Vansh, just let me carry my book. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh, if you have the book, please click the pictures and send it to the official group. Elephant
ma'am.
and the Tragopan.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Thank you, Vansh.
Welcome, ma'am.
Children, I am sharing the worksheet. Please solve the worksheet only once you finish your revision. Okay, once you learn. Don't open it and start doing it. You can take your full day to learn if you have not learned and open it in the evening. Don't do cheating, be sincere. The last part, answer the following questions that you should write in at least 4 to 5 lines.
Ma'am, we have to do it in fair.
See, children, if your fair notebook, there are pages in your fair notebooks, then use that. No, we will not be doing anything else. So why to waste those pages? Do it in your fair. And moreover, you will have a record when you will be revising for the finals. I will not be checking your revision worksheets, okay? We will be discussing the answers. I'll be checking only your school normal literature part and then revision tests.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have not discussed the answers of the previous worksheet, and that was of chapter 6.
Chapter 6 worksheet. Wait, let me check that worksheet. Vansh, if you have that worksheet, please resend on my personal window.
Okay, ma'am. My
Okay, children. Let's discuss the worksheet. Are you all there? Who all are there? There are only 3 children. Fine. Your first question was you. Okay. First question was who is Nathu and what is his role in the story? Yes, Vansh.
Nathu is the sweeper boy of the bank, and he has played the main role in the story.
Fine. Anybody else who wants to add? Arjun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me question number 2. Why was Nathu upset at the beginning of the story? Yes,
Ma'am, because the bank hasn't paid his 2 months salary.
Beta, don't start your answer from because, no. Give me a proper answer. Bahar,
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh, frame a proper answer, beta.
Ma'am, Nathu was upset at the beginning of the story.
What happened? I can't hear your answer, Vansh.
Ma'am, Nathu was upset at the beginning of the story as the bank has not paid him for 2 months.
Fine. Even after working hard for 2 months, he was not given his salary. Okay. Next question is, how did the rumor about the bank start spreading? Tell me the answer, Vansh.
Ma'am, the rumor about the bank started spreading as when Nathu told his friend Sitaram about that he has not been paid for 2 months, but he has to work a lot. Ma'am, Sitaram told this to one of his customers, Mrs. Prakash, and she then added some more things to it and forwarded it.
Okay. But I hope you have not written the answer like that, no? You have to
No,
specify.
ma'am.
You have to specifically mention who added what. Okay. Then the question is, what role did Mrs. Prakash play in the spread of the rumor? That has to be very, very specific. How did the townspeople react to the rumor? What answer have you written for this?
The townspeople reacted madly.
That's it.
Yes,
One word
ma'am.
answer. You'll not even get half marks, beta. You have to explain their violent, irrational reaction. How did they?
समझ नहीं आया और क्या.
नहीं बच्चे क्यों उन्होंने they trusted on the rumor. They did not verify it. And they started throwing pelting stones on the bank. They spoiled the property of the bank. And they started asking for the money. You have not mentioned anything. Please don't write one word answers and long answers. Okay. Next is Nathu worked as a dash at the People Nagar Bank.
Sweeper boy.
The story is a humorous take on how dash spreads quickly.
Rumor.
Mrs. Prakash was the dash who first overheard Nathu's complaint.
First person.
Fine. Word meanings are all the same only. They're nothing to match up. Okay, use these words in the sentences. Gossip.
The students are gossiping.
About what? The students are gossiping is incomplete. Bankrupt.
The students were gossiping when the teacher was not in the class.
Okay, fine. Then next one.
Going bankrupt is a crime in other countries.
How come it is a crime? Going bankrupt is a crime.
In countries like Dubai, if a person goes bankrupt, it's a crime.
Seriously? Going
Yes,
bankrupt is
ma'am.
a crime.
Yes, ma'am. Like if a person goes bankrupt, like उसके अकाउंट में बिल्कुल भी पैसा नहीं बचता है, उसने कई लोगों से उधार लिया होता है, तो फिर वो क्राइम होता है.
नहीं, but that is not bankrupt, no. Bankrupt means when you don't have anything in your bank. That is bankrupt. So that means if you cheat people, there is a probability of going bankrupt. That is a different way. But going bankrupt is a criminal offense, or it is being it is a crime in another countries. That's little incorrect sentence, बच्चे. Over here,
Mom, everyone was overhearing me.
how come everyone was overhearing me? What kind of sentence is that?
Mom, nobody overheard him.
Please mention the situation also, no? You can give an a fictional name, maybe suppose if Nathu only. Nathu heard the conversation of the robbers and alarmed the police. Okay? That ways you can make a sentence. Fine. Next is, why do you think Nathu's casual complaint caused such a big reaction in the town? What answer have you written? लिखा है नहीं लिखा है झूठ नहीं बोलना. Vansh, have you written the answer? Critical thinking questions. Have you written the answer?